Yeah, unboxing again. We're gonna do this. I don't even know what the name is anymore. Phoenix Flare, yeah. So let's get right into this. I can't even open it. And boop. I don't even know any of the bit. I don't even know what that. I know what that ratchet is, but I just don't know what that bit is. Let me see. It's called WW. I don't know what that means. I can't read any of the names here, so. Now, by the way, if you saw yesterday's, or should I say today's video, because technically I forgot to post the video, so I'm probably going to post that one first, and then probably post this one a little later. Yeah, but I got Rudder Phoenix with Sting Unicorn and Cal Spinks. I believe nothing will be in here that's important enough. It's mostly just the instructions or something. Got it. Okay, wow, that's actually really nice. Damn, I did not think it would be that nice. What the hell? Okay, let's see. Ooh, that's a nice bit. Kind of like it. I feel like people said this bit should be like a stamina or something. I don't know. It kind of looked like it would be, because that tip looked like it would belong to a stamina type. It would look like a defense tattoo. I don't know. I'm not sure if I heard right or it's just like I'm talking about another part. I know someone talked about like the shape or something being like more better for a different type. I can't even. I can't even open this. I honestly like the colors. I like the silver and red. Look at that. Quick little open. I know it's a screwdriver. Let's look at this. Okay, I feel like, oh my god, it looks like a double layer bay. It really looked like it would be better for defense. And damn, that color is nice. Honestly. I wonder who I like more. I know I like Sword Phoenix, but I honestly think I like Flare Phoenix more. This was nice, but this one's nicer with that color scheme. This. Yeah. beautiful. My gorgeous prince. I don't know, I'm back. It's so weird. Okay, let's look at this. I don't know what this is, but I'm checking if it has the same gimmick as you know, not Sora, what's his name again? Phoenix, no. What's his name again? What name? I believe it was Reaper Incendio, yeah. I thought it was gonna have the same ability because it looked like it. Like on the camera, it looked like it would. Now let's look at the different parts. Let me just turn this. There's not much to say about this. Focus. There's not much to say about it. It's kind of bland. It's like a Phoenix. There's also this guy. Honestly, I like the red. It's mostly it's one of the things I like about it. Phoenix base are just mostly red, and I don't even know which way to put this, and I lost track. I can't even, goddamn. There it is. Is that even supposed to be like that? Yep. I'm back. I had to, I'm gonna edit this now. Yeah, but basically my room just came in, so kinda paused the video for a sec, so now we're back. Honestly, my opinions, I like the color scheme. I really do. I like the red. I'm not sure performance-wise, because I've never seen any videos about this guy. Nor anything about this guy. I just know the name. It was something I just wanted to have. Because my favorite color is red. So, maybe I should really do a color battle or something. I don't even know. But I know I did say yesterday I would do like a, do like team, I didn't forget yet. Basically Team Yggdrasil versus like Team Persona, so yeah, I'll probably do that. I do have Sword Phoenix, but I'm just too lazy to get him. Okay, so actually I think I can get him. Nope, he's in the closet. And I don't mean like that. He's literally in my closet. Okay, thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm gonna edit this. Thank you so much for coming back. Please come back another time.